In this video, I want to show you how to create professional PowerPoint slides. Some of the topics we are covering are colors, content, text size and font, formatting features, images and videos, and charts. So let's get started with colors. There's a whole psychology of how colors make a person feel. For example, warm colors such as yellow, red, and orange invite comfort to a person. Cool colors such as blue, green, and violet invite calmness and relaxation. With that said, in a PowerPoint slide, warm colors are best used in text, while cool colors are best used as background. Here I have an example of a slide with blue background, which is one of the most common background colors used professionally. Blue exudes a calming effect and slows down the breathing and pulse rate. The white text provides a good contrast with the blue background. The color on this slide is an example of what not to do. Here we have a reddish background with purple text, and we can see it is very difficult to read the text on this slide. Content. Some tips on content. Number 1, simplicity is best. Do not clutter your slide with lots of words. Use keywords. For example, in this slide, I use keywords such as simplicity, not all caps, and limit bullet points. Which brings me to tip number 2. Do not use all capital letters in your text. All capital letters have a tendency that you are shouting to your audience. Number 3, limit bullet points. I would say about 3 to 4 bullet points per slide, and make sure there are sufficient white spaces between your bullet point items. Here I have a slide that is a no-no. There are just too many words on this slide. There are also too many bullet points. The texts are all in capital letters, and there are no spaces between the bullet items. It is just too cluttered. Text font and size. What font should we use? Short answer is, who is your audience? Who are you presenting the slides to? If you are presenting to a group of young children, you can choose fonts that cater to that age group, such as the Comic Sans MS. Since we are creating slides for professional purposes, the best font to use is Arial because it is a font that is easy on the eyes and easy to read. Also use only 1 or 2 font styles in your slides. You may want to add one font type for your title and another font type for the text in the body. As for the size of the text, it should be at least 30 points or more. Here I have an example of a slide with a font that is so hard to read. In addition, the text size is only 14 points. There are also too many different font styles. Alignment and layout. Alignment should be left aligned because we usually read from left to right. Layout. Make your slides look spacious with blank lines in between phrases. Have consistency throughout the slides in the presentation. For example, do not use one font on one slide, another font on slide 2, and a third font on slide 3. Maintain the sense of consistency and layout all throughout the presentation slides. The text on this slide is not aligned properly, and there are hardly any blank lines in between the phrases, making everything very difficult to read. Images or pictures. Always use high-quality images. Pay attention to copyrighted images. Make sure you either purchase the image or are given permission to use that image. Use relevant images. Avoid cartoonish images when presenting to a professional group of people in business. This slide shows the opposite of what images should be. The image is so blurry and not relevant to the topic. We're talking about pandas, but an image of 2 dogs is on the slide. In addition, there's a happy face cartoonish image that is not relevant at all. Here's a slide that contains a high-quality image. The image is relevant and not cartoonish. Also, the image is not copyrighted, so I can freely use it. Videos. Videos are used to add to your presentation. It will be a good change of pace and add dimension to your presentation. Make sure the video upload quickly. You don't want the video to take 5 minutes to upload while everybody is just waiting. And the length of the video should be not so long that it takes the bulk of the presenter's speaking time. Charts. Should charts be used in PowerPoint slides? Yes is the answer. Charts make it easy to illustrate data. Since there are so many different types of charts, make sure you know when to use what type of chart. For example, I have here a pie chart. The pie chart is used to show percentages. Line chart is used to show trends. Bar chart is used to show comparison of sets of data between groups. I hope that you know now how to create professional PowerPoint slides. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.